Surfside Beach, South Carolina. We'll start our tour at the north end part of Ocean Boulevard between 17th and 16th Avenue North. And travel southward down the beachfront side of this beautiful city. If you're new to the channel, thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe so you can keep up with things in and around Myrtle Beach. With June just 4 days away, here's a point of view from the boulevard showing signs of summer right around the corner. Along this boulevard, there are several public beach accesses, restrooms, and shower stations for your sandy flip-flops and chairs. Of course, every time I rinse my shoes off, I think of that old Shag song, "Sand in my shoes, the smell of the salty air." Now that we've all regained consciousness, is the River City Cafe, just beside the Surfside Pier. The pier itself houses the Surf Diner, where you can enjoy some food while watching the waves crash on the beautiful sand. The pier. And the multitude of people bathing in the sun. Passing the pier, there's Pizza Hyena to your left. And I see Bubba's Fish Shack and Neil and Pam's Bar and Grill already active with people waiting to get some grub and drinks. And now past the pier and still traveling southward, the avenues will start counting up again from 1st Avenue to 16th Avenue. And just as it is on the north side, this side also has public beach accesses. If you've never been to Surfside Beach, you really should visit. And guess what? We used to live here for 2 years on 2nd Avenue North. There's some nice decorations for Memorial Day. Located just a couple miles south of the world-famous Myrtle Beach, this beach is a bit quieter and slower paced than the metropolis city that it borders. There's just no point in being in a hurry. At some point, you'll have to share the road with a golf cart or two. More decorations. Right past 16th Avenue South and just before Melody Lane, you'll cross over into Garden City Beach. There's the popular Conch or Conch Cafe restaurant. I've heard it pronounced several ways. Also, right on the ocean. Now that we're out of Surfside Beach and technically in Garden City, I'll just let the camera roll for a bit so you can enjoy this beautiful scenic tour. Again, thanks for watching, and as always, keep beaching.